Yeah, I'll tell you honestly, I don't really believe in feminism or any of those jargon, chauvinists, they are there. I'm not saying नहीं है क्योंकि because I have been in diversity and inclusion also for some time, मैं सारे genders को ना मैं एक मानती हूँ because they are creators of universe, right? That's number one. Now you talk about feminism, etc. Uh, See, there are places and pockets in the society जहाँ पे ना लोगों ने ऐसा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर दिया है कि विमेन ना आगे ना बढ़े, हो सकता है सब जगह सब सारे फील्ड्स में होता है थोड़ा बहुत. नाउ there has to be a proper structure, in that workplace or that particular place where she's going to work, where वो हम ना हमको ना लगे कि we should start a मोर्चा. नो, इट हैज टू बी इक्वल. एम्प्लॉय हम लोग जब किसी को हायर करते हैं, एक अग्रीमेंट जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनाते हैं उसमें इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी, इक्वल एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं, वो एक क्लॉज होता है. वी हैव टू रियली अबाइड बाय इट. It's a legal agreement and you need to kind of respect it and actually walk the talk. So I think those things need to be managed. Yes, sometimes women probably would be, I don't know any, यूज करती हैं कि मैं तो ये हूं वो हूं, लेकिन ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम पीपल शुड रिस्पेक्ट. एंड आई कैन टेल यू वन थिंग, women cannot do always everything. They have responsibilities. Like अगर इतना अच्छा परिवार है जहां पे मैन बोले कि मैं तो घर संभालूंगा, there are people like that, right? And then she becomes a boss outside. So that's fine. So ये फेमिनिज्म वगैरह जो हम लोगों ने अनफॉर्चुनेटली हुआ है ना, some people misuse it to their advantage. If they don't get the right or they don't get the opportunity to have the upper hand, some people actually genuinely want to voice it. So it all depends upon, ये बहुत societal है and depend करता है person to person कैसा उसका उपयोग या दुरुपयोग करता है. So yeah, but I have not seen anybody doing it in my own circle, misusing that कि मैं woman हूँ, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ये rights चाहिए. No. But यही है ना, we have one particular thing. अभी मैं corporate में काम करती हूँ, मैं वही बोलूंगी. एक phrase है, getting the seat on the table, where you actually get a chance to voice your opinion. Okay, कभी कभी वो नहीं मिलता है. And sometimes I would not say because of the other gender. Sometimes we women are only not pushing others to succeed. Various reasons, and we'll not get into it, but it all depends upon how you kind of perceive that particular situation, rather than having this feminism and getting into those kind of issues.